Hi children, in today's class I am discussing the focus area of the last chapter, statistics. We have to discuss only two ideas in this chapter. The first one is mean and the second idea is median. Okay. Mean is nothing but the average which you have studied in smaller classes. Average is nothing but the sum of all the given scores divided by the number of scores. Similarly, we get median. Median is nothing but the middle value after arranging the given scores in either ascending or descending order. Let us do a simple problem on mean and median. Look at the question. The daily wages of 5 workers are 800, 550, 700, 500 and 950 rupees. You are asked to find the mean wage and also the median wage. Now we know mean is nothing but our average. To find mean, we have to add all these values. Sum of the scores divided by number of scores. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores. So you have to divide the sum of these values by the number of scores. Sum of these scores gives you 3500 divided by 5. You get 700. So we can say the mean wage of these workers is 700. Now let us find the median. To find the median, first of all, you have to arrange the given scores in ascending or descending order. Let us arrange the scores in ascending order first of all. So the least value here is 500. So to get median, we can write it in the ascending order. So you get 500. The next value is 550. The third value is 700. Then you get 800. Then you get 950. Now median is the middle value. Since there are 5 values, the middle value is 700. To get the middle value, just use the formula n plus 1 by 2, where n denotes the number of scores. Since there are 5 scores, our formula is n plus 1 by 2. That is 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, which gives you 3. So our third score is 700. Is it clear to you, children? Look at one more median question. The ages of 10 members of a club are 20, 25, 22, 32, 42, 27, 35, 27, 35 and 30. The question is, you are asked to find the median age. I have told you, whenever you are asked to write the median, we have to arrange the given scores in ascending or descending order. I have arranged the scores in ascending order. And here, children, the number of scores is 10. So whenever the number of scores is even, you have to use the formula median is equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th score divided by 2. That means n by 2. Since there are 10 scores, 10 by 2 gives you the 5th score. So I have to add the 5th score plus n by 2 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1. That is the 6th score divided by 2. Is it clear? When there are 10 scores, what you have to do? 10 by 2, 5. So you have to add 5th score plus 6th score divided by 2. That gives you 27 plus 30 divided by 2. When you add these two numbers, you get 57 divided by 2. So the answer is 2 twos are 4, 8 twos are 16. So 28.5 is the median age of the 10 members given here. Here children, we have the second type of problem where you are given frequency. Okay, look at the tabular column. Question is in page number 248. 35 households in a neighborhood are sorted according to their monthly income. Question is to find the median income. Look at the tabular column. 4,000 is the monthly income of 3 families. 5,000 is the monthly income of 7 families, etc. You are given. Now to write the answer for this question, that is to find the median income, what we have to do is write the monthly income and here the number of households. Here we talk about the number of families who earn up to 4,000 rupees. Up to 4,000 rupees there are 3 families. So I wrote up to 4,003. Now the next monthly income is 5,000. So we can say up to 5,000 rupees, 3 plus 7. 10 families earn up to 5,000. Similarly, you have to fill this table. Okay, by adding the values. Now up to 6,000 we get 10 plus 8, 18 families. Up to 7,000 we get 18 plus 5, 23 families. And up to 8,000 we get 23 plus 5, 28 families. And up to 9,000 we get 28 plus 4, 32 families. And up to 10,000 we get 32 plus 3, 35. Now to find the median, we know since n is odd, we use the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th family. That is 35 plus 1 gives you 36. You get 36 divided by 2, that is equal to 18. So we can say median income is the income of the 18th family. From our table, we can understand our 18th family is earning rupees 6,000. So we can say 6,000 rupee is the median income of these 35 families. Hope it is clear to you. Children, let us discuss one more median problem. The question is in page number 248. The table shows the workers in a factory sorted according to daily wages. To write the answer, I have written a tabular column with daily wages and number of workers. Up to 400 rupees we have 2 people. Up to 500, add 2 plus 4 which is equal to 6. Next up to 600 you get 6 plus 5 which is equal to 11. And up to 700 you get 11 plus 7, 18. Up to 800, 18 plus 5, 23. And up to 900, 23 plus 4, 27. And up to 1000 you get 23, 27 plus 3 which is equal to 30. Here you can understand n is even. When n is even, we know we have to use the formula n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. Whole thing divided by 2. So when n is even, here the number n is equal to 30. Since n is 30, n by 2 gives you 15 plus n by 2 plus 1, that is 16. Whole thing divided by 2. From this you understand median is the income of 15th plus 16th worker divided by 2. Look at the tabular column. From this you can understand 15th and 16th worker is in this category. That is up to 11 the workers earn 600 rupees. After 11, 12, 13, 14 etc. up to 18th worker is earning rupees 700. So we can say our 15th worker earns 700 and 16th worker is also earning 700 rupees divided by 2. So you get 700 rupees to be the median wage of these 30 workers. Is it clear to you? Discussed all important focus area portions of statistics. Thank you, children.